So finally I got an opportunity to climb this hill today. Hey, so how are you guys doing? Today I've decided to trek this random hill which I found interesting. I've been actually seeing this hill for quite a long time and had a plan to trek this hill. So finally I got an opportunity to climb this hill today. So along with that, after I trek this hill, we're going to look at my rucksack. So this video is going to be all about the rucksack, how I'm going to use it, and I'm going to talk more about it, like what's its capacity and how many things I'm going to carry in this rucksack. But this hill looks interesting. This is not a huge hill, just a small one. So I felt trekking this hill and showing you guys rucksack would be a good idea. So I have been planning to go and trek one of the forts, which is like about 250 kilometers away from Hyderabad. But unfortunately, in the recent news, I've came to know that people have seen tigers in that area, and I'm going to skip trekking that hill for some time. Hopefully some other day I would definitely go and trek that hill. We'll see how it goes. Hello my friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about my rucksack which I have recently purchased. I'm going to talk about this rucksack, about the capacity, the features and how it was built, the material, what it has been used on this rucksack, things like those. So this video is going to be pretty interesting one, so I would encourage you to stick around. All right, let's check this out. Okay, so the reason why I bought this rucksack is like, so that I can carry several things that I need for a hike and for camping. So right now I am mostly doing day hiking and may extend it to multiple days in the future. I'm not sure, but you will see that in my future videos. And I'm going to talk about this specific rucksack. I'm not going to compare this one with other rucksacks, okay? All right, so I bought this from a seller in New Delhi. I'm not sharing his details in this video because I have not used this product completely. So I'm going to use it. If it is going to withstand all the, the abuses during hike and camping, then I'm certainly going to share his details with you guys. Okay, so by now you must have understood the reason why I bought it in this color. It's olive green, so it blends very nicely while I'm in the woods. So this is a 60-liter capacity bag, and it has a 10-liter detachable bag, which is quite comfortable for me if I have to go for a small walk or a small trek. I can just detach the bag and carry my gear like my camera, a bottle, and some snack, things like those. So this bag has various features. I'm going to show you all those features right now. All right, so as I said, there is a 10-liter detachable bag, and this is the bag. Okay, I'm going to detach it right now, and I'm going to show how it's going to be useful for short walks and all. Okay, so there is a zipper. All right, so all I have to do is just unzip this. Okay, so here's the bag. This is a 10-liter detachable bag, so I can carry as many as items I can for a short trek, things like those. Okay, so there is only one compartment in this. Okay, it does not have too many features. All right, so as you guys can see, this rucksack comes with a steel frame, okay, which is really nice. So what this frame is going to do is, like, when I place all my items inside the rucksack, it is going to maintain their position. So the way I stack them inside this bag, the steel frame help maintain their position. So those items are not going to move around while I'm trekking. Okay, and also this steel frame is going to help me when I'm carrying this. It will not allow the items inside poke into my back. And also this frame helps retain this rucksack's shape and form. So as you guys can see now, it has one huge middle compartment which can actually be divided into two. So there is a separation at the bottom, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. So it's like 70-30%. So the top compartment can carry about 70% of items, and the lower compartment would be like 30% of items. Okay, so let me give you a closer picture what I was talking about. So this is the compartment. As you can see, it's quite huge. I'm telling you, it's quite huge. I can carry as much as items I can. I can carry a 2% tent. I can carry a blanket. I can carry a hoodie. I can carry my camera gear. So it is going to be a useful rucksack, and I'm very happy that I have bought this. So let me show you the separation, how it actually works. So this is the lower compartment. Let me quickly unfold this. Okay, so when I open the zipper, there is a bag inside here. So there is a bag inside. So what it is going to do is, if I tie this rope, all right, let me quickly tie it. Okay, so the moment I do that, it closes. All right, it closes the upper compartment. This is going to act as the bottom for the upper compartment itself. Now this lower compartment, I have enough space to carry my boots. I can carry the items which I need very rarely. I can quickly access them. I don't have to open the top and so keep searching for the items. Okay, things like those. So this is one of the added features I've got in this rucksack. Okay, talking about more features, I have a bottle holder on this side and the other side too. I can carry like 2 bottles. I was carrying 1-liter bottle, so I felt like I was not even carrying that bottle, so it was very light. So it has another small bag this side and this side too. Okay, so I can carry my raincoat, things like this. Whatever I want, I can simply carry them. Okay, now it has many straps. You know, it has straps all over the place. You know, they're everywhere. So these straps can be used so that I can, you know, pull them and maintain the shape of this rucksack. So this is the brain of the rucksack. This seals the rucksack itself after I pack everything. There is a zipper here, and I have storage in the brain too, so I can store more items here. Okay, talking about the back of this rucksack, you know, it is very nicely stitched, very nicely designed. So there is this mesh padding all over the back of this rucksack, and there is a channel for the wind to flow so that it keeps my bag dry. Okay, so it is very comfortable, and there is a lumbar support. Okay, and just look at this, belt, how thick it is. It is, you know, broader than my palm, and it is like 2 inches thick. Okay, so I am very impressed with this rucksack. And there is a secret compartment right at the bottom of this rucksack. There is a Velcro. I remove the Velcro, and I can see this, you know, a pouch. So I can store my documents or anything, you know, money. I can store my cards. I can store anything right here. Okay, so these are the top tensioners to adjust the distance of rucksack from my shoulders. These straps helps to, you know, pull the rucksack closer to my shoulders. It will make sure that the rucksack is nice and tight and centered, so that the weight is on my hips and it is not pulling my shoulders towards the backside. Alright guys, I hope you have liked this video. I'm pretty sure this rucksack is going to be a very useful equipment for me when I go on a camp and go on a trek. So it is going to be useful in many ways. I'm definitely going to use this rucksack and share all my experiences, how it has performed. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around and, you know, watching all the videos and, you know, sharing your suggestions. I really appreciate that. And I have many videos lined up for you guys, so please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye. Can you see my car? Okay, made it back.